Rugameri munene wa CUKURU chiota kaunti ya Kirinyaga na darakani niwe Peter KAUME na ugitena kwena nene aitobambeire kwitana mantu yotongeria ARIUGA bone ne bukadiria mwanya yotongeria ndigurone kirentuko chero yo Samuel Geshima na Ronero
Ikiathoni ya kunyuithia muma atongoria baimbia banki ama ya utongoria bo ARITWA college ya kiubundi ya chuka ntere chia mwanjati kiragiti gitwe imwerekeria wa college chia muthemba uju ura arugamirite kaunti chia Kirinyaga embu na tharakanithi Peter KAUME.
I, Zaveri Dioki,
swear that I will truly and diligently serve the members of Chuka Technical and Vocational College
with full knowledge of my responsibilities and behind myself by the same, so help me God.
Akiaria kiathoni iki KAUME na uritie ARITWA college cha muthemba uju baibundithia magwara mautongoria kenda nthiguru ya Kenya ikaigweri na atongoria bakinyaniru ntugo cha nyumani.
Your time will come because leadership matures. So I'm also speaking to you, seated behind these leaders you have elected. Make sure that you also have a mentor and you can see, if, for example, it is the principle of serving and say, I would wish to do something like the way he does, maybe the way he dresses, the way he speaks, and continue to do what? Continue to practice, okay?
Mukaririgiti wa bodi ya college yenu Justus Mwitikanga na meneretie wa agagia borabora etagwa na ARITWA college kagita wa kagita akibauragia baibaniri na mutugojo indi batumagira njira ya kwaraniria kuthiria mathina.
We have to condemn violence in every manner. It doesn't matter the cause, but as the leadership and as the family of Chuka TV, we don't entertain violence as a way of solving our grievances. Please dialogue so that we get the best results.
Noe murugamiri wa college no Peter Njorogero bia akiuragia ARITWA batikaigwe nthoni cha kuthongira chia chani cha kinthiguru nyuma ya kurikia cukuru.
The purpose of even elections is to nurture leadership. And that's why we want these elections to be happening every year. Why? Because we want as many students as possible to test leadership. I'm sure some of you now will become the future MCAs, the senators, the governors, and even the president, isn't it? Of the nation. Yeah, so that's why we want to nurture that, so that by the end of the day, we can have as many leaders as possible, so that tunasikia kuna MCA fulani, pali fulani, Chuka TVC, Senator, Chuka TVC, President, Chuka TVC in the future. It can happen, sindio?
Nkiripotera Weru TV kumagichigo bunge ya Chuka Igamba Ng'ombe mbita wa Samuel Geshima.